Hey guys, I'm Bob, and we're making Oobleck. If you don't know what Oobleck is, well, I think we've done a video before, but it hasn't been posted. We have a whole entire memory card that hasn't been posted. And, so you add, literally just cornstarch, I almost said baking powder for some reason, and water. And mix those together, and yeah, so 2 cups of, which one's first? Play in. Also, okay, so this is how, oh, fresh packet. Oops, see-doo. Cornstarch is now. I got cornstarch in my eye. I can't rub it off because my hand's cornstarch. 2 cups. So we got a spoon because it was getting messy. And my pants are now completely white. And no, they were not white before. They were blue, but now they're complete whiteness. Oh, that's plenty. That would be a cup. Into here. This is messy. When you rub cornstarch in your hands, it feels like rubber once they're all rubbed in. We'll need to get more cornstarch. This thing's empty almost. And also ask your parents before doing this because it uses a whole box of cornstarch. Nearly. Yep, there we go. That's a cup. Holy salmons, that's a lot. And wait. Chip went to see us when we were getting the spoon. Oh, wait, Chip, come on. Chip. Say hello to Chip. He came to visit us. All right, bye-bye, Chip. You can run free. And, well, just a sec. Look. So now this is fully of water, so we're gonna, if I spill on this Oobleck, we're gonna have Oobleck on the table. Oh. Yeah, we kinda got Oobleck. Now we made Oobleck already on the table. Yeah, that was kind of a failure on the 1 cup part of it. Can I pour this what's resting? Oh, now I got Oobleck powder on my hands. This is a messy project, guys. Basically, keep stirring it till it becomes a solid / liquid / water / solid / whatever you want to call it. Look. Well, I'm gonna just use my hands because this is. Alright. Well, how Oobleck works is if you move your hand slowly like this, you can go right through it, but if you go like this, it's a solid. Stir this thing, but when you're stirring it, you just have to go really slow. And now I got Oobleck on my hands. And bugs are biting me alive out here. You gotta have really good patience to stir this. Jeez. Wait. Well, I'm covered in Oobleck. It's a fun word to say. Oobleck. Anyways, look. So, if I form a ball right here, look. It's a ball. It's a solid. It's a liquid. Oh boy. Forget it, probably get copyrighted. Yeah, if you want, you can add food coloring to it, and I'm gonna. This is gonna get messy. It already is messy. It's Oobleck. Drop, and drop, and drop, and drop. Those look like mini black holes. Is that good? Oh, that looks so weird. I'm gonna mix around the water that's floating on the top and make it that green. Then I'm gonna mix it in. It's so cool with the just dots of white everywhere. I want one more drop of. I want it. Oh, that's a bit too much for me. Alright. So, well, it's green now. Just want to kind of stir it out slowly once you have food coloring in it. So it's a liquid. Wait, it's dissolving. It's liquid now. Well, see you guys. I hope you liked and subscribed. And, well, you can't turn this post notifications, but, and watch our other videos. Bye. And, yeah, this is a mess.